Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to import contacts from Excel to iPhone, CSV to iCloud or iOS contacts sync guide. Method 1. Import contacts from Excel to iPhone using iCloud. Step 1. Open your Excel contacts file on your computer. Step 2. Save the file as a CSV file if it isn't already. Step 3. Convert the CSV file to a VCF vCard file. Step 4. Go to iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID. Step 5. Click on Contacts. Step 6. Now click the gear icon present in the bottom left corner. Step 7. Select Import vCard. Step 8. Choose your VCF file and upload it. Step 9. On your iPhone, open Settings. Step 10. Now tap your name, then go to iCloud. Step 11. Turn on Contacts. Method 2. Import a VCF file directly on iPhone. Step 1. Convert your Excel file to a VCF file. Step 2. Send the VCF file to your iPhone using email, AirDrop, or the Files app. Step 3. Open the VCF file on your iPhone. Step 4. Tap Add All Contacts. Step 5. Wait for the import to finish. Step 6. Open the Contacts app and check that your contacts were added. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.